Welcome to Employment and Education News. This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Supervisor, Junior Office Assistant, Junior Technician, Fireman post vacancy in Security Printing Press, Hyderabad. Eligibility 10th ITI, Diploma in Printing, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, Computer Science, Information Technology. Graduation BE or BTech or BSc Engineering in Printing, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, Computer Science, Information Technology. Master degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi subject at graduation level. Age limit between 18 to 25 years for fireman, junior technician, 18 to 28 years for junior office assistant, 18 to 30 years for supervisor. Last date for application 15 April 2024. Faculty Office Assistant Attender post vacancy in Indian Bank. Eligibility 10th BA or BCom with computer knowledge, graduate or postgraduate in rural development, MA in sociology or psychology, BSc veterinary, horticulture, agriculture. Age limit not specified. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 25 March 2024. Trainee Engineer, Trainee Officer post vacancy in NHPC Limited. Eligibility Bachelor degree in Engineering or Technology, BSc Engineering degree, MSc Geology with GATE 2023 score. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 26 March 2024. Executive Trainee post vacancy in Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech or BSc Engineering, ME or MTech. Age limit maximum 26 years. Last date for application 26 March 2024. Application fees are as 500 for General, OBC, EWS and no fee for SC, ST, Women, ex-servicemen, dependents of defense personnel, killed in action and employees of NPCIL. Assistant Superintendent, Technical Assistant, Office Assistant, Painter, Driver, Record Keeper, Cook, Plumber, Safety Steward post vacancy in Goa Shipyard Limited. Eligibility 10th ITI, degree in commerce with 1 year certificate course in computer application, graduate with inter-company secretary, BBA, diploma in engineering, bachelor degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi as one of the subject at degree level, graduate in any discipline with postgraduate diploma or degree in personal management, industrial relation, labor law and labor welfare. Age limit maximum 33 years for Assistant Superintendent, Hindi Translator, Assistant Superintendent, CS, Technical Assistant, Office Assistant Finance, Record Keeper, Cook. 36 years for Assistant Superintendent HR, Office Assistant, Clerical Staff, Painter, Driver, Cook, Delhi Office, Plumber and Safety Steward. 232 Junior Clerk post vacancy in Himachal Pradesh State Cooperative Bank Limited. Eligibility 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 45 years. Last date for application 31 March 2024. 3000 apprentice post vacancy in Central Bank of India. Eligibility graduation. Age limit born between 1 April 1996 and 31 March 2004. Extended last date for online application 27 March 2024. 9144 Technician, Technician Grade 1, Technician Grade 3 post vacancy in Railway Recruitment Board. Eligibility ITI, Diploma in Engineering, Graduation in Science, Degree in Engineering. Age limit maximum 33 years for Technician Grade 3 and 36 years for Technician Grade 1. Sub-Inspector post vacancy in Staff Selection Commission. Eligibility Bachelor degree. Age limit between 20 to 25 years. Last date for application 28 March 2024. Application fees Rs 100 and no fee for SC, ST, ex-servicemen and women candidates. 323 Personal Assistant Post Vacancy in Union Public Service Commission. Eligibility Bachelor Degree. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 27 March 2024. 1930 Nursing Officer Post Vacancy in Union Public Service Commission. Eligibility BSc Nursing. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 27 March 2024. Assistant Executive Engineer Post Vacancy in Bihar State Power Holding Company Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech BSc Engineering with GATE score. Age limit between 21 to 37 years for male candidate, between 21 to 40 years for female candidate. Last date for application 30 April 2024. Thanks for watching till the end.